Okay. Hi everyone. Good evening. I'm Paras Goel, founder and CEO of FieldMarshalSCM. Uh, do you know that 75% of all Gen Z consumers today in the world would want to purchase a sustainable product? They are even willing to shell 10% more to buy one. More than 85% of the folks of the top executives have are all aligned on the fact that sustainability or going after sustainability is for the right reasons, is helpful, is economically viable. Yet we've seen almost 95% of the businesses of all products that people want us or the companies want us to believe that they are economically or environmentally sustainable are in fact not. They are one of the fundamental reasons of greenwashing. What is greenwashing? Greenwashing is when the companies want you to believe that their product is environmentally sustainable, but behind the hood, it is not environmentally sustainable. There is some or the other flaw in their entire product value chain, which is making the environmentally more harm than do it more good, right? We understood we at Field Marshal SCM tried to root cause this problem and came up with two very fundamental reasons of why this phenomenon is happening throughout the world. One, there are too many ESG metrics that the CXOs have to deal with. They are all very confusing. They all deal with MMT, CO2, GHG emissions, and they do not make any sense at all, right? Second, there are too many business competing priorities for the business to take care. And unless and until you have the bang for the buck, you have the dollar value of your environmental sustainability initiative, you'll not be able to pitch in your sustainability initiative as well, right? And this is where Field Marshal SCM steps in, right? What is Field Marshal SCM? We are a B2B, B2G SaaS platform, which is here to solve for every climate tech problem that is there in the world. We are leveraging econometric machine learning models to generate predictive analytics, predictive currency values for all the GHG reductions that can happen via optimizing your value chain, via optimizing your supply chain, or via optimizing a marketing spend as a whole, right? There are three different uh, offerings that we encompass via our B2B SaaS platform. The first is the econometric modeling. Econometric modeling is so we have all heard of that if you do a sustainability initiative A, you get a benefit of B MMT CO2, but this does not make any sense to the CFO or the CEO, right? But if I turn that value to a XX million dollars, it automatically makes sense, and that is what the econometric modeling does. So we'll have a predictive dashboard which will tell you for every ABC of your initiatives what is the dollar value of the final output that you will have as an organization. Second is the value chain analytics. We'll study your entire value chain to understand where are the common pitfalls that you have in your entire supply chain for us to narrow down the problem to reduce your carbon footprint as a whole. The third is in terms of marketing measurement. Marketing, if you ask any CMO what is the efficiency or the effectiveness of its marketing spend, no CMO there are very few CMOs will be able to tell you their efficiency and effectiveness, because marketing attribution is a fundamental golden problem that exists in the world today. And this is what we have solved for through our triple M models.